Frequently asked question number 11. Can I put my succulents under a study lamp? Now, I will also talk about other lights as well. Let's say a study lamp, a table lamp, or the regular household lightings like your regular bulbs or the tube light. Now guys, all of these are not going to work out well for your succulents because succulents require a good intensity of light. Now for that reason, there are certain specific lights called as grow lights, wherein you can grow your veggies, you can grow your flowering plants, you can grow majority of the plants under them. Because the grow lights have a certain intensity of the light, more on the reds and the blues, which are the colors that are absorbed by the plant in order to create the food, in order to stay compact. So there are these specific dedicated lights that you require to purchase in order to grow your succulents. So a study lamp, a table lamp will not work out very well for your succulents. They will start to stretch because your study lamp and the table lamp has a very subtle light. It's a very soft, subtle light so that it does not hit your eyes too much. That's why the intensity of these lights are not much. They are very soft lights. So these lights will not work out really well for your succulents. Apart from that, certain succulents will start to rot, especially the aguides. They love a good amount of light. Their most preferred form of light is natural sunlight. But if you're growing them indoor, you need to have a good intensity of light. Now, I have heard about this earlier as well, that aguides do not do quite well under grow lights. They do tend to struggle a lot. They prefer a good amount of natural lighting. So keeping an aguides under a study lamp is going to be a completely no-no. In fact, even other succulents like the ones that you're seeing over here, all of these succulents will also start to stretch if they do not get a good amount of light. In fact, even your the green succulents that prefer indirect bright light will also not do quite well under the study lamp or the table lamp. They will not do quite well because even though they prefer indirect bright light, but there has to be a certain amount of intensity in that indirect bright light. It has to be really bright. So even your Haworthias or your regular Echeverias will not do. They will start to stretch. Yes, Haworthias also tend to stretch when they do not get that correct amount of light. I did have a case. I don't have that succulent right now. It has started to turn compact, but if I happen to find a picture, I will definitely share it in some other video because I'll have to search. I might have sent it to someone else, but I'm not very sure. But yes, Haworthias will also tend to stretch. When they do not get a good amount of light. Whereas the other succulents will all start to stretch under a study lamp or a table lamp. So ensure that you have a good quality of grow light in order to grow your succulents. So the answer is going to be no, you cannot grow your succulents under a study lamp or a table lamp. So guys, I hope that this video was helpful to you. If it was, please hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching.